So our next topic is the geometric design of highway. Okay, so in previous lecture we discussed about this topic, geometric design of highway. Okay, so objective of this topic to design a highway which is comfort, safety, economy, and minimize environmental impact. So, okay, again, what factors affecting the highway design? So these are the different factors that affecting the highway design: vehicle characteristics, human characteristics, volume, topography of that area, functional classification, land use, environmental factors, funding. These all factors that affect the highway design. Next, geometric design of highway deals with the dimension and layout of visible features of the highway, such as horizontal and vertical alignment, side distance, and intersections. The geometric of highway should be designed to provide efficiency in traffic operations and with the maximum safety at reasonable cost. So other factors affecting geometric design, that design speed, topography of area, traffic, environmental factors, and economical factors, vehicle properties of humans. Okay, so vehicle properties, that is what is the dimension of that vehicle, weight, operating characteristics of human, the physical, mental, and psychological characteristics of the human beings. Okay, so these all factors that affecting the geometric design. Okay. So these are the different elements, cross-sectional elements, side distance, horizontal alignment, vertical alignment, and intersection alignments. So these are the different cross-sectional elements of the highway design. In that, the characteristics, the width of pavement carriageways, the cross slope and camber, then median, that is traffic separator, curves. These are the different cross-sectional elements. Okay, so these are the different terms: design hourly volume. Okay, then this design speed, speed limit, design vehicles. Okay, so this is what the roadway cross section. So during the geometric design of highway, we know what is the cross section of roadway. So you can see the image in that you can see the roadway, the median the roadway. Okay, and below that you can see the shoulder, travel way. Okay, and clear zone and right of way. So these are the different parts of the roadway. So you can see this was the cross section of roadway. Okay, so which indicate or which shows the travel way actually, and what is the shoulder, what is the clear zone, and what is the median, what is the roadway, and what is the right of way. Okay, so this is what the cross section of roadway. So you can see this is what the components. Okay, so you can see the car which moving over the road. So there are the three different lines. The one is yellow line, one is the red line, and one is the blue line. So what is that yellow line? So yellow line, it is nothing but you can see the roadway. Okay, so that roadway which consists the travel way. Okay, so that yellow line, it is nothing but the travel way where on which the vehicles are travel. Okay, so that yellow line which showing the travel way. Okay, so next one is the red line. So what is that red line? So that red line which showing the shoulder. Okay, so combinedly both travel way and shoulder, you can say the roadway. Okay, so this the travel way and shoulder combined, you can say roadway. So this yellow line which showing the travel way, and that red line which showing the shoulder. Okay, and you can see left to the vehicle, that is a white color, and that is what nothing but the median. Okay, so which separate the two lane, left lane and right lane, which separate by the median, that is called as the center part. Okay, so you can see the median which separate the travel way. Okay, okay, so that is what the yellow line, the red line. Okay, yellow line, it is a travel way, red line is a shoulder, and blue line, that indicate that is what the clear zone. Okay, so the travel way, shoulder, and clear zone, and left to that travel way which separate the two lane, that is called as the median. Okay, so these are the different components of the cross section of the road. Okay, so what is the median? So median, it is nothing but simply you can say the traffic separator which separate the two lanes. Okay, So that median, you can also say the traffic separator, you can also say curb, or either you can say the medians. Okay, so these medians, it is nothing but the traffic separator, and which are provided to prevent the collision of opposing moving traffic. Okay, so what is the purpose of this median? The first one is to divide the traffic, to recovery the area, storage area, refuse area, okay, and aesthetic view. So these are the different purpose of the median, and the width of the median is varied according to the road, okay, according to the highway. And the types of this median is raised type, flush type, and depressed type, okay. And also you can say the curves can be different types, so low curves, semi barrier curves, and barrier type curves, okay. So that is what the median, which is nothing but which separate the vehicles, and the median with the curves, okay. So that's about the median. Next you can say the right of way. So right of way, it is nothing but the total width or total land which required for the construction of the highway, okay. So right of way, it is the total land required for the construction of highway and for its the future development, okay. It is always better to have more land than the minimum specified IRC standard. So needs to be wide enough to accommodate all the elements of highway cross section and plan widening of the highway, and all public utility facility to be installed along the highway. Okay. So example, two-lane urban collector street having 40 to 60 feet of the roadways, and two-lane urban arterial street having 84 of feet. Okay. So this is what the right of way. Okay. Another term is the capacity of the road. So capacity of highway has been defined as the safe number of vehicles that can be accommodated on a highway per hour per lane. Okay. So that depends upon the type of vehicles playing on the road and number of vehicles that playing on the roads. Okay. So that is called as capacity of road. Okay. So this is what the right of way, and the right of way, this land width to be acquired depends on the various factors. The first one is category of highway, width of the pavement and the road margin. Next, highway of embankment, depth of cutting and slide slope of those, and the dimension of side drainage system. So this about the right of way. Okay, so next term, that is cross slope or camber. Okay, so cross slope or camber, it is nothing but the slope which given to the road pavement in cross section. Okay, so what is use of that camber? So it is used to drain out the rainwater into the side drain so that the pavement is free from the water. So parabolic or elliptical shape preferred for the for the fast moving vehicles, and the cross slope for the shoulder could be 0.5 steeper than the cross slope of adjoining pavement subject to the minimum 3.0 and maximum of 5% of for the earth slope. Okay, so that is what the slope which provided for the highways. It may be a maximum of 5% and minimum 3%. Shoulders. So this shoulders, purpose of shoulders is nothing but the refuse area, recovery area, and pavement support. Width of that shoulders, that is 2 to 12 feet. Okay, and the slope basically vary from 2 to 4%. Okay. Travel lanes. So okay, at 10 to 12 feet width of the travel lane. And what is carriageways? Okay, so carriageways, it is nothing but the width of the pavement. Okay. So the carriageway for one line of traffic movement is called as the traffic lane. If side clearance is more, the pavement can be accommodate more traffic, and that is what its capacity is increased. IRC says that maximum width of vehicle will be 2.50 meter. Okay, so that means suppose the class of road is single lane, then width of carriageway for that particular class of road is 3.75 meters. Okay. Suppose it is two lane without curves road, then width of carriageway is 7.0 meter. And suppose a two lane with a raised curve, that width of carriageway it's 7.5 meters. Okay, so these are the some of the class of the road: single lane, two lane without curves, and two lane with curves. And width of carriageway 3.75, 70, and 7.5 meters. So this about the carriageways. Okay, so these are the various cross-sectional elements of roadway, in that we discuss about the width of pavement, carriageway, then right of way, then traffic separators, curves, median, okay, and capacity of the road. So these all terms that related with the cross section of road. Okay,